Hi, and welcome to day 2 of 100 Days of Code with Chimbeji Samuel. Okay, so my book is all ready. I went to the printer shop to print out all the pages, but I already did for January now, so that by next month I'll just do for February and just add it to the binder. So at the left is me showing you all the pages of the book, and at the right is me writing out all my goals rather for the day. And I'm really excited to use this because it's going to make my work so much more easier. Okay, so after writing out my goals for the day, I decided to start coding. And let me tell you, it was a bit difficult because I was currently at home the weekend and I had a lot of things to do. So, but I was able to sit down and start coding for the day. So I learned about scaffolding the Flutter app, adding an app bar, changing the color of the background. And by the time I was done, I was able to run out my code and everything was working perfectly fine. It was not that difficult because I just had a few background knowledge on Flutter before. Okay, so this is the app when I ran it on my simulator. As you can see, I already added the background color for the app bar to be purple, and then the background color of the scaffold was red. Okay, so after running the app, the next stage was to add an image to it. So it was supposed to be a network image. So I went to the internet and I got a random image from Google, and then I opened that image in a new tab so that I could get the address of that image, and then I added it to my code where my network image URL was supposed to be. And so after doing that, I ran the code and everything was already really good. Everything was looking fine. And so the next challenge was to center that image. Okay, so there was a challenge that Angela gave us in the course to put the image at the center of the app. So it was really, really difficult, and I decided to go and check the Flutter documentation. Now, navigating through the Flutter documentation was a really, really long process for me because I could not understand most of the things that I was seeing. There were a lot of complex codes there, and then I couldn't find anything about centering the app. Okay, so I saw something like alignments. I opened that up, but everything I was seeing there was just gibberish. I could not understand anything about it. Now, the Flutter documentation is really difficult for me to navigate through, and it's really, really annoying because I'm a person that loves to read. But finding my way through the Flutter documentation was really, really hard, and I just decided, okay, I don't think I was going to do this. So after much tries on going through the Flutter documentation, I decided that there was no way I was going to be able to do this, and I just went to check Google. And Google took me to a page on Stack Overflow, and then I saw a lot of gibberish code, and I was like, okay, damn, I'm not doing it. So I went back to the course and I saw how Angela did it, and I decided to do the same thing. And to think that all I just had to do was click on option and return, and then I'll just center the whole image. Yeah, and so day 2 of 100 Days of Code with Chimdi and Samuel is officially over. So I apologize because this video was supposed to have been uploaded on Saturday or Sunday, but the internet at home was really bad and I just had to wait until I got to school. And I also came down with a really bad cough and I couldn't do this voiceover. So I had to wait until I was a bit better before I could do this. Don't forget to follow my Twitter at Jane Loves Coding. Follow my Instagram at chimdi underscore Jane underscore Samuel. Follow my TikTok at chimdi underscore Jane underscore Samuel. And don't forget to shoot me an email if you have something really important to discuss with me at janesamuel308 at gmail.com. So I'm going to be starting my day 3, like today, obviously, because today is already day 3, and I'll be seeing you in the evening. I'm trying to keep to a particular time of uploading these videos, but until I can figure it out and find my way around editing the videos. So I'll see you in day 3. Do have a lovely day. Bye.